So here we are, Jessica and Evelyn. How you doing,
Hello, good
Evelyn?
in you. How you doing,
I'm
Jessica?
doing really good. I was missing to do videos with you,
I
Evelyn.
know it's been a while.
Yeah,
It is past Christmas time. Do you enjoy
yeah.
your Christmas?
I did enjoy my Christmas. What about you?
Good. Yeah, I did too. We had a great time with my kids are older, but we always have a good time. My mom is in town, so yeah, we had a great time. But we are here because we've been putting this video for
Oh my God, for the longest. I
for the
got
longest.
sick.
Yeah.
Like Evelyn had, things to do. I will be like, it's the end of the year. But in
Trying to
that,
coordinate our
we
schedule.
made it. So we are here because if someone in your family has Medicare, stop, please listen.
Yes.
And there are companies right now at this time that are calling seniors, right, with fake promises, Evelyn.
Yes.
And they are switching their Medicare insurance and the plans without explaining anything to them.
Correct.
So today we are exposing these companies and what they're doing, why it is illegal, and why you and how you can protect yourself and your family members.
Exactly. And why we're making this video today. Basically, we are making this video today because too many people are being targeted with misleading information and Medicare calls. These calls sounds friendly, but they're not from Medicare.
Yeah.
And they are not from the legitimate agents. So we want to bring this to you guys' attention today and give you some information so you guys can, if you guys relate, or if this information will be helpful for a lot of our seniors out there.
Exactly. So you guys can know what to do, how to stop them, and and be proactive in this situation and don't be part of the scam that they are doing, okay? So the worst part that I think, Evelyn,
Yes.
is because more seniors, they don't even know that they are changing them plans,
Exactly.
It's being people that they don't know. They have mental issues sometimes. The most important thing when we talk to somebody, one of the things and the questions that we need to do is that we don't have all the plans in the market.
Exactly.
That's the first thing that we need to really disclose based on the CMS. And they changing their plan, they switch the doctors, and they don't even verify if they have the medications on the new plans.
Correct.
And people are being really with the trust, the vulnerability that our seniors have. We want to protect you guys because
Correct.
this is our job, This is what we do. Helping people is not about, who have more people in our book of business. It's about you guys have the right plan for them, right?
Exactly.
For
So they can have a good plan that is according to whatever needs they have.
Yeah.
Make sure that the plan covers their doctors, their medication, and we're not switching them around just because we just want to get them into a plan.
Yeah, and offering things that are not even available to them. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys, we are doing this video. It was supposed to meant to be in the open enrollment, like
Yes.
I said before, but we still say, you know what, let's do it because the annual open enrollment is coming up, and it's still at this time. Even if you was one of these persons that went through this, you can call Medicare and you can switch your plan.
Correct.
And you can also report these agents or these companies that are doing this wrongdoing to the seniors. Okay?
Correct.
So someone called me, Evelyn, like I was telling you. So I was in the supermarket. I got my phone. I got this phone call, and then somebody was calling me, and they say, "Hey, Jessica, this is you have Medicare, so we're gonna give you a full card." And I was like, "What?" I was like,
But are you Medicare age?
I was like, "I'm 45 years old."
Like, I'm not the Medicare age yet.
I was like, "Hey, how would you know that I have Medicare?"
Yes.
And I said, "So they don't know that I have Medicare. They just come with this and they offer me right there, full card. You know, I was in the supermarket. Maybe if I was 65, I would be entertained, right?
Exactly.
Because, you know, everything is so expensive now. Oh, you're going to give me money and I'm paying for my
Exactly. Give me the full card.
Give me the full card. So, no, I was like, hey, because I know they didn't know I was an agent. So I was like, hey, this what you're doing is illegal, and I'm going to report you.
Yes.
Because what they did is they offered me the full card, and they right away passed me to an agent.
Oh, wow.
Right away, Evelyn.
Yes.
And then it looks like I was calling the person. They right away attended the call. Like I was calling them. I was like, the guy didn't even let me say, hey, you know. And then when they put me the agent, just say, I say, hey, you know that I am a licensed agent, and I know what you're doing, and I know that's illegal, and I will report you.
Oh, wow.
And they click, they hang up on me. Yeah.
Wow.
And then they called me a few more times, different times, and different companies. So I was like, you know what, I took a screenshot of them, and I did send the report, because you know what, that's not right.
Yeah, that's not right for our seniors. Another scenario, I mean, this is very important for the seniors because they get calls all the time, you know, to get them a full card.
Yeah.
And some of them don't know, some of them think that it is okay.
Yeah.
And some of them don't even manage their own medical, you know, medical life. Like, you know,
Yeah,
they have a caregiver.
decision.
They have a caregiver.
And how you gonna know, Evelyn, if you're gonna call me and offer me a card, a food card, or electricity card? You don't know my zip code.
Exactly.
You don't even know my age. How you gonna offer me something that you don't even know if I qualify for?
Exactly.
That's the first thing that they doing wrong. You know.
And another scenario that we want to bring out, my mom is over the age of 65, so she has a good agent. She's been keeping her for a long time.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to switch, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah, of course. If they're happy,
So
they're
she says she
happy.
just got a call from somebody asking to switch, you know, that they'll pay for her light bill, for electricity bill. And, you know, she said it was kind of odd the way they were talking to her, and they wanted to ask for her Medicare number. And she said, no, thank you. You know, I already have, you know, an agent. I don't want to switch my plan. We're good. And then she hung up because, you know, and then she called me and told me what happened to her. I said, Mom, thank God you did that, because, you know, they shouldn't be calling you. You're supposed to
Exactly,
be
they
calling your
shouldn't.
agent if you want to make changes to your plan.
Yeah.
Or if there's anything that the plan is giving to you,
Yeah.
you know, as a bonus or anything like that for you to have.
Of course, and what they doing basically is they faking the benefits to gain the people trust, because you know, in this economy and the inflation that we're going through, you know, it's helpful. You know, they seniors,
Yes.
they living a set income, you know, having those benefits, and does Medicare offer these full cards to some people? Yes, they do, but it's a specific people.
Exactly.
And you have to have an agent that is going to go through it. They have to go to your insurance, right,
Exactly.
Evelyn? See what you have, see the difference that you have, situation or life situations that you have in life right now. And if your plan is perfect for you, keep your plan. You don't have to change
You
it.
don't have to change it if,
Yeah.
if it's good and it fits your needs.
Exactly. So the most important thing is that you guys know that this is happening. So because they're gonna continue doing it, it doesn't gonna stop because we're doing the video. But at least we want to give you the knowledge for
Exactly,
you guys
give you
how
some
to protect
information.
yourself. So that is not how Medicare is supposed to work. That's the first thing that we want to let you know. According to CMS rule, agents cannot really talk about a specific Medicare plans unless we sign a scope of appointment,
Correct.
right? And we call that SOA.
And the SOA, or the scope of appointment, you know, like we're letting you guys know, it needs to be signed 48 hours, Jessica, before the appointment, unless you call the agent first,
Exactly.
okay? And the last 4 days of the open enrollment.
Exactly. That was on December 7 was the last day, so you guys got into the December 3 to the 7 to call, you know, and then we can give you information about plans, and that was only the 4 last days. So, but now, you know, if you call us, it's okay. But if somebody call you and then they put you somebody, that's a red flag.
Yes, and the 48 hours basically protects them from any scam, from pressure or from scams. So that's
Of
like a
course.
protection, and the reason why we do the scope of
Of
appointment.
course, because it's everything for them. They have the time to think, hey, this is what I want to do I want the information, or what they really want, because that way we can give you information, we can review your plan, we can let you know what is new. And then
Exactly.
you guys choose, and in those days, then you got the information from us, right?
Yep, it's true.
So, yeah. So then, what agents must do the right way? That's the most important part, right, Evelyn?
Yes, yes.
So, a real ethical agent must review your current plan,
Yes.
your Medicare plan that you have active at this moment, right?
Yes.
Then explain your benefits, all the benefits that you have right now, and then compare with a new options, because you are not choosing anything if the option is not better than what you have, right? And tell you what you might lose, because we need to be truthful, right?
Yes.
And not just what you might gain.
Exactly.
So we have to give you both a scenario. Hey, with this one, you will gain this, but you will lose this, and you can compare and see which one is best for you. And ask permission before sharing information. So, we cannot go and fill out an application and do anything if you guys don't give us permission. So those are the things that you wanted to hear when an agent is doing the right thing.
Yes, and if an agent does not review their current plan first, because they have to do that first, they are breaking compliance.
Yeah.
If they only talk about the new plan but not what you really have, that is a big, big red flag. So please keep that in mind. These are little things that we're bringing to you guys, some information, so our seniors can keep an eye on those things.
Yeah, Evelyn, I was working with this company that is called, I'm going to throw them under the bus.
Uh-oh.
It was called Medicare.com, and it was in Lake Mary. And I was a contracted agent with them, captive. That was before, I was doing this Medicare independently, the way I'm doing it right now. And let me tell you something, they let me go, and I was really happy that they did. Because this lady, I was talking to this senior, really nice person. And guess what? They want me to switch her to Medicare from WellCare. The only thing we have, it was WellCare. She have a really great plan.
Yes.
So when I went through her plan, that I wasn't supposed to tell her, but I did.
Oh, wow.
Because I don't want to break that. At the end of the day, my license, it belongs to the state,
Exactly.
right?
So
And
you
it's
can use
for
your
the
license.
people.
Yes.
So I can lose my license to do the wrong thing because I was working for a company. And I think not all the money is a good money.
Yes.
So I did the right thing. I told her, I said, hey, she said, well, whatever you offer me, I trust you. And you know what? And I said to her, I'm going to tell you something. I will never change your plan. You have the great plan. I don't think that plan will come back never again.
Wow.
So keep your plan. And I said, get a pen and pencil, write down everything you have. And I told her every single benefit I have. And I said, people's going to continue calling you, and they're going to ask you. And I don't want you to go through this. So let them know,
Wow.
I don't going to switch my plan. I will report you. And then when they hear my call, I was fired. They cannot tell me that, hey, you did this and that, because I didn't do nothing illegal.
But
I
you
did
did
the right thing.
right thing for the customer, for the
Yeah.
client.
And I
make
was
sure
like-
that this individual had
Yeah.
a good plan, and
It was
obviously you don't want
great
to change
plan,
it.
Evelyn. I swear, at this day, I don't see a plan that good. And I was like, I don't want to do that to nobody. That could be my mom or my grandmother,
Exactly.
right?
It could be our parents.
So I was like, no, and I didn't do it, and I was fired, and it was a good paying job, but for me, I like to sleep at the night,
Exactly.
doing the right thing. If somebody are going to offer you a better plan, I'll do it.
Of course.
Because you do
but,
it, it's a best.
But you already
no.
had a good plan. Why would you change it?
Yeah, no. So I was like really happy that they found. So companies always calling senior, and they don't ask for help. You are not really asking for help. They calling you. That's
And then promising benefits that people don't qualify for.
Exactly,
basically.
like they did.
Yeah.
Like offer me a full card.
That you don't need.
45. So they transfer seniors to agents without even the permission of the senior, letting them know, hey, I'm gonna transfer you to agent.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, and many of these agents are switching plans without checking if the seniors will lose benefit or not. This is not okay.
It's not
okay
okay.
at all.
Yeah, and that's what we do in this video, because we are not agree with this, and we want you and your family don't watch YouTube, right, and don't gonna be able to see this video. We understand that, but at least let them know to your family members, hey, this is happening. If somebody call you, don't let them do that to you, okay?
Yeah, or to any other senior
Or
out there,
any other
any
senior,
of their
yeah.
friends.
You get one of those home, this is the things that you need to do. You're gonna ask them, did I give you permission or writing permission to call me? That's the first question you're gonna ask. And are you going to review my current plan? That's the second question you're gonna ask. And then the third one is gonna be, what company are you licensed with?
Yes.
Really important.
That's important. And if they do not answer you clearly, just hang up immediately. Don't stay on the call.
If someone change your plan without explaining the consequences, and you can fix it. So it have a solution. So
Yes.
don't think that you cannot fix it.
Yes, you guys can call 1-800-Medicare and report it and give them the date that you got a call, the phone number that you received the call from, and a short explanation of that call, okay?
Yeah, and you have the right to return to your previous plan. That's the most thing.
Correct.
That's why we're doing this, because we heard people that they say, like the other day in the supermarket, it was a lady, she was saying, you know, they switched my mom for a plan, and now she doesn't cover the medication that she used to have.
That's so sad.
And you know, I told her, hey, you can do this, and you can call, and you can get your plan back.
That's
So
good.
this is at least something that you guys can do. So that's why we are here, right?
Yes.
To help.
You guys, we are actually making this video not to scare you, but to protect you, because what matters most is you. It's your well-being, it's making sure that you keep your plan.
Exactly.
You know?
That they have what you have is what you really need. That's the most important thing. That when you need to go to the doctor, you can go and it's covered. That when you have to get your medications, you can go and get the medicines that you need to continue being healthy, you know? So we have seen too many seniors, you know, confused, hurt, and frustrated because, you know, someone just switched their plan and just to make a commission, and that's not fair. And they trust these people, because you know, when they trust you, because they believe you are doing the right thing for them, you know, so.
And you know, just keep in mind that your benefit matters, your doctors matter, and your peace of mind matter, you know, especially to our seniors. And there's a lot of seniors that, you know, they don't have nobody to help them out. They're just by themselves, you know, and that's, you know, the saddest part is when those seniors get, you know, advantage of, because they don't know, they're trusting that other person on the other side of the phone.
Exactly,
you know?
Exactly. But we always see, when they teach me about these companies, something that I always learned, even when I was doing customer services thing, the other person on the phone, it could be your mother.
Yes.
It could be your grandmother, it could be your brother. So you have to have compassion and empathy with everybody. And you know, we are here. I am Jessica Melissa Diaz Lavigan, and this is my friend and colleague Evelyn Hernandez, and we are licensed agents that we believe in transparency, in honesty, and in protecting our community. And that's why we're doing this for you guys.
Yes, please, and just share this video with anyone that, you know, benefit from it. You know, and click on the little bell, you know, thumbs up. Click like,
give it a like and share.
And if you guys need any information about Medicare, we are here to help you to answer any questions you may have. Okay, so
yeah, we have videos in English and Spanish. Evelyn So you guys can go to a list and you can see, and any question that you guys have, don't hesitate to contact, Evelyn or I. We're here
Perfect.
for you, okay? We're here to
Bye.
protect
See
you
you.
guys.